Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to add Avive to your TrustWallet. Alright, so your first step in adding this token is open up your browser. With your browser opened up, scroll till you find its contract address which exists on the Avive network. Copy this, minimize and open up your TrustWallet. Now please make sure your TrustWallet application has been installed and set up properly. Alright guys, so with your TrustWallet opened up, how can you add Avive to your wallet? Your first step would be to use the search bar at the top to simply search for AVIVE, which is the token's name, and it says here Avive. You cannot find this token on your list of tokens. Simply use the icon at the far right, click on this icon, and where we have manage crypto, use this opportunity to search for Avive again. If you can't find the Avive token here, use the plus icon at the top right, select the network and select Arbitrum Ethereum. Paste its contract address and you can see the name, symbol and decimal are shown. Click on import and simply import this token onto your wallet. Boom. So guys, that's how you can simply add Avive to your wallet. Comment down below if you have a question and don't forget to like and subscribe.